Video presentación. Video presentación. I am a hard working and motivated person who does know how to face challenge. My son do sports, demonstrate my capabilities so I can advance. Achieve a professional career. Support my son while I grow in knowledge. Support I want better economic stability. In an excellent position with excellent economic stability. Thank you.